Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morrell. Today is Wednesday, May 13th. I'm here with day 2 of Latimer and Edison. Today we will read the text again and focus on understanding the text using our sentence expansion words because, but, so. Let's get started. Yesterday, we finished with these sentence starters. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but Lewis Latimer invented a carbon filament, so Lewis Latimer is remembered because. Let's look at some new vocabulary words and read the text again in order to finish these sentences. Okay, the first new word is team. Say team. Here's a team at work. Team is a group of people who work together. So my team at work are the Tubman teachers. I want you to use team in a sentence. You could say, my favorite sports team is, say a sentence out loud. Next, contribution, contributions. Say contribution, say contributions. Contributions are something that is done, efforts or work, to cause something to happen. So these people made contributions. They each contributed something to make the whole pie. Think about your contribution at home. What do you do at home to help? My contribution at home is doing the laundry. Say a sentence out loud using contribution. Okay. Burn out, happening now. Burnt out, happening in the past. This match burnt out. Burnt out means when a light stops working. It could be a light, a match, a machine. Think of a reason why the light burnt out. The light burnt out because it broke. The light burnt out because the bulb was old. Say a sentence out loud using burnt out. Next word, durable. Say durable. This rope is durable. It is strong. Durable means staying strong and in good condition over a long period of time. Think about something that is durable. I could say, my son's baby books are durable because he used to chew on them and throw them, and they did not break or get damaged. So say a sentence about something that is durable. Next word, supervise. Say supervise. That's happening now. Supervised. Say supervised. That's happening in the past. Supervise means to be in charge of someone or something, to watch and direct someone or something. So this person is supervising these people doing work. Think about something that you have to supervise. I have to supervise my son brushing his teeth. Say a sentence using supervise. Last word, installation. Say installation. Installation is the act or process of making a machine, a service, etc., ready to be used in a certain place. So this person is installing, he is doing the installation of a light. I can help with the installation of a new, what could you help install in your house? I can help with the installation of a new light switch to turn the light on and off. Okay, so now we're going to read the text again. Yesterday's vocabulary is in black. Today's vocabulary is in red. As we read, I want you to be thinking about Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but Lewis Latimer invented a carbon filament. So, what happened? Lewis Latimer is remembered because. Why is he remembered? Remember means to think of something or someone from the past again. This person is remembering a field with a butterfly. So be thinking of these as we read. This is from Lewis H. Latimer by Lemelson at MIT. Let's read the text together. Lewis H. Latimer was born in Chelsea, Massachusetts in 1848. Along with Granville T. Woods, Latimer was one of the first major African American inventors. Okay, so I know that Lewis Latimer was African American. He was an inventor. He was one of the first African American inventors. He first worked as an assistant to Alexander Graham Bell. I remember that from our last reading, that Bell invented the telephone and Latimer worked with him. Read with me. Latimer became a member of Thomas Edison's elite research team, Edison's Pioneers. So Thomas Edison had a team, a group of people doing research, doing work to learn about something. And Lewis Latimer was part of the team. Latimer made his most important scientific contributions here by improving the light bulb that was invented by Edison. So Lewis Latimer made a contribution. He worked and did something. He improved from yesterday. He made better the light bulb that Edison invented. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb first. Louis Latimer improved it. Read with me. Edison's prototypical light bulb was lit by a glowing, electrified filament made of paper, which unfortunately burnt out rather quickly. So Edison's light bulb had a filament made of paper. The filament made of paper burnt out quickly. So you would turn on the light bulb, you would have light, and then it would burn out. No more light. Quickly. Read with me. Latimer created a light bulb with a filament made of the much more durable carbon. Durable, it's strong. Carbon is strong. It's stronger than paper. So Latimer made a light bulb that was stronger. It didn't burn out quickly. It was a better light bulb. He sold the patent for the incandescent electric light bulb with carbon filament to the United States Electric Company in 1881, but he did not rest on his laurels. Latimer went on to patent a process for efficiently manufacturing the carbon filament. So he found a way to manufacture the carbon filament, to make the carbon filament for his light bulbs, and developed the now familiar threaded socket, though his was wooden, for his improved bulb. Moreover, Latimer wrote the first book on electric lighting. He wrote the first book on electric lighting, Incandescent Electric Lighting, 1890, and supervised, remember that means he watched and he was in charge of the installation, putting in of public electric lights throughout New York, Philadelphia, Montreal, and London. So those cities, New York, Philadelphia, Montreal, and London, put in Latimer's lights in public, out in the city. Although today's light bulbs use filaments of tungsten, which lasts even longer than carbon, Latimer will always be remembered for making the widespread use of electric light possible in public and at home. So your job now is to pause the video, write these sentence starters, and finish the sentences. Go back in the video, look at the text again, and use that to help you finish those sentences. Pause the video here to write the sentences. Stay safe, keep reading. I miss you. Tomorrow, we will talk about how to finish these sentences. Have a good night. Bye.